Happy weekend, fashionistas. Trust you are having the best of time this lovely weekend. In today's video, as those slides are rolling by your screen, today's video is all about beautiful, colorful, stylish skirt and blouse dresses made with Ankara fabric predominantly. And when we talk of skirt and blouse, it's an age-long dress for every woman. In fact, a woman that does not have a single skirt and blouse in her closet could not be said to be proud of herself as a female. Skirt and blouse has been around for as long as all of us can think of. Is a generational style that has been evolving from one generation to the other. And what's distinct is how it has evolved in times of the modernization. And today's skirt and blouse, as we are presenting them to you, they are the newest, the latest, the modern skirt and blouse dresses that as you all can be very proud of. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and get that maximum size inspiration from this very video from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. Regardless of how you want your skirt and blouse to be, there is something in this video that got you covered. Just endeavor, as I always say, to watch from the beginning to the end, and you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly creative, highly resourceful, highly talented fashion designers who are behind this masterpiece of the best of African fashion and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Big up to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and please subscribe if you are new to this platform, and don't forget to put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a video like this on this very platform. And please share this video as well as every other videos on our platform for us to really spread the trend of African races and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a splendid, loving weekend ahead, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
I don't wanna tie you up now. I don't wanna do the thing. I don't wanna have you, baby. I just wanna have a fling. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah. Tell me what you wanna do. Give me everything you got. I just wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low. Wanna get me everything that you got to give. Baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I wanna go downstairs, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy. Wanna get low, wanna get trouble, trouble, trouble.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.